So it's time for an EDC update. Just get straight into it. Start off with the knife. So it's a Rosecraft. Can't remember which one it is. It's got a clip point and a sheep's foot or Wharncliffe. It's more of a Wharncliffe than a sheep's foot. Goes a little bit around there and then straight down. Sheep's foot around all the way down. But I'm not going to be pedantic about it. So that's the knife. It's got D2 steel blades. And I think it's a bone handle or a horn handle, but the fit and finish is really nice. No gaps or anything, and the handles actually match and the blades are centered. So that's the knife. So multi-tool, got a Victorinox Spirit. Best multi-tool ever made, in my opinion. Not going to argue with anybody about it, that's my opinion, it's the best that's been made so far. Awesome thing, I've had it for God knows how many years. Haven't been carrying it as much with us working at the landscaping job. Was carrying the Leatherman. But anyway, that is the multi-tool. So the flashlight is not a Nex torch, it's a Phoenix TK11 tack with a Nex torch grip on it. Had that for a lot of years as well. It's beaten up but still goes strong. I think it's 1900 lumens, I think. That's the light. Got a pen. It's a Nightcore NTP 21 with a Fisher Space insert. Had to modify the pen a little bit. Cut a piece off of an old Parker pen, tacked as a spacer, and it works perfectly fine. So that's the pen. The wallet is a Triovax original 2.0. Really like it. Just a wallet, can't say much else about it. So I got a lighter. Don't smoke, but I do like to set things on fire. So I got a Turbo Flame Ranger. Had it for years as well. It's all beat up. Paint's wearing off. Can't fault it. Excellent lighter. Got a new Write in the Rain notebook. Can't say much else about that, just a notebook. And the watch is still the Casio G-Shock, the GA 1100 I think it is. Excellent watch. I got a bandana. The bandana's got a traditional Japanese cat print on it, because I like Japan and I like cats, so there you go. So for the keychain, got a Kubotan. Lost the Leatherman squirt, so I've got a Victorinox Classic XD. Tool for the thing on the camera bag. Olight i3E EOS. Uncle Bill's Slither Grippers. And a Phoenix NW20 whistle. And a key for the bike lock. And that's the keys, minus the keys. So the bag is a Maxpedition Sitka. And that's all I carry in the EDC bag. Very minimal stuff. Got a camera, so I do street photography as a hobby. Got some hand sanitizer. Marker pen, Zebra. Got a backup flashlight, which is a Nightcore, I think. Yeah, Nightcore. HC33. And a spare battery for that as well. Got an Nalgene bottle. And a first aid kit. So inside the first aid kit, got a bandage, open woven bandage, Gorilla Glue, Afterbite, 2 emergency eye wash things, Israeli field dressing, burn shield, and just various pads, adhesive pads, different sizes, bandages, band-aids, whatever you want to call them. And that's the first aid kit. And the other bag is a Maxpedition Fat Boy. I think it's the S-type sling bag. So inside that bag is my street photography stuff. So I've got a camera, 3 lenses. Normally I would have a lens attached to the camera, but these are vintage Nikon lenses. I need an adapter to attach them to the camera, and I'm using that adapter to attach the lens to the camera that I'm filming on now. So yeah, got a lens cloth adapter for attaching the GoPro to the camera. Got a GoPro. It's a Hero 8. And spare batteries for the camera. And that is it for my EDC. Thanks for watching.